FIBO-TRADE is Fibonacci, a new type of trading program that's based on the Fibonacci principle. That is a sequence of number. I take them, compare it to my stock picks, and whichever one matches the Fibonacci sequence, boom, out pops the number. I'll go into a little bit more about now, but let's look at some trading. AAL, nice little run. The date we're looking at is April 18th. That's 1/17th. So your actual trading day would be the 19th. That's the day you're going to wake up and say, hey, great trade, let me get in here. So let's continue to look at a few more. All right, I'm going to talk over these next few sets on account that there's just so many on this program. Pulls out, this is one night, and it only goes up to G. I think it was up to G. I'm tracking. So as the stocks come up, you can stop the program and look at the stocks. Remember, we're from the 18th. That's one past that line, the 17th. And every one of these stocks, you can see perfect positions, perfect thing. Everything looks great with these stocks, and that's what this program is. I'm going to be pulling out some live programs. That means the night before, I'm going to be doing some editing, and you might have like 10 stocks I'll put out for you, and you can go ahead and look at them, review them, you know what I mean, and put them in your watch list, and you'll be amazed. Out of the 10 I put out, 7 probably were profitable, and 5 were phenomenals. I mean, it's just an amazing program. You'll love it. Thank you. As you can notice from ATVI examples, that most of these stocks from the 18th, we're in either peak or a valley. Right now, we're in valleys going up because this week was amazing. I mean, it was almost 100% runs, and look at what the stock market has done. Last month, it was like 50-50. I hit peaks and went down, 5-6 points. This is like valleys, and it's gone up 5 or 6 points to even 10 points. These are just amazing numbers. Like I said, I'm just talking over them. I'm not even going to review them. You can see it. It's at 18th. Right, look at that little run here at ATVI, right off the 18. Amazing. Look at Angie. This is what kind of program we put. It doesn't matter. High volume stocks, low volume stocks. Stocks in the gutter, stocks on high. It picks out, and it picks out right at pre-peaks and runs. I never had a program that was able to pick so many pre-runs. I mean, we're looking 4 or 5 days, and there it goes. 1 or 2 days in the midst of the run. It's an amazing program. It just picks out nothing but peaks and runs. What a great program. I love it. I make a lot of money off this program. Look at this nice little run. I mean, it's only a 3-4 point run, but still. Low penny stock like that, real sweet run. Look at that, 3-4 points, then it does a major crack. I mean, this was a little tough, but a good program or a good stock picker would be able to see that it's been overbought. It's been way up high. It's ready to go down. Those black peaks usually means that we're going to correct a little bit and then continue on. There's nothing wrong with that program. Just need a little pause correction there. And then bang, look at that nice run it had up. Really good, big money stock right there. Big money. I mean, serious, folks. I can keep on gloating over these stocks. Keep on, commenting on how great this stock looks, how great that stock. This one's right out of the bottom. You can't get any further down than that. Right from the very bottom. Never seen a program that can pull out from the bottom. And let me explain about this. What's FIBO-TRADE? It's a great program. I just invented it. I mean, most people, they take a number, I don't know, they get a stock pick from somewheres. You know what I mean? There's a number of ways you can get it, but it's the pain in the ass. Half the time you don't know what they do. And they play these picks on a FIBO chart. And a FIBO chart is simply you just put in your limits there, and it will give you the Fibonacci what you think it should be. And you play if the stock goes to that point. Now you're going to, because we're at below the Fibo point, we got to wait. So you're going to have to set up a watch list. You're going to set up a lot of other things to make that point come up. So you don't know where the stock's going to go. And you have to set these programs up for, to pick FIBOs. What my program does, what it simply does, is it took the sequence, it took the mathematical formula, figured out the number, automatically picked the criteria, picks up the number, and then if the stock meets the criteria, it puts out a list. And all I got to do is take that list, chart them. Very simple. It's about 25, 30 a night. And my small picks, that's under $30. They run about 40 a night. And I tell you, man, it's producing a high 70%. And what I mean, not all 70% are winners, okay? I mean, they're not losers. Some will go up a point or two. Some you make a couple bucks. But the winners are closer to 50% of the picks are winners. And I'm talking about 4 or 5 point, 10, 15 point winners. And that's where you make a lot of money, is how many winners you can find. And this program picks, like it says, 50%. And you can eliminate it, through different charting patterns, different patterns that these things up. You can eliminate it, and you can get that number up to close to 70% as winners. And, that's like a winning situation. You pick two stocks out. One might be a break even or even a small loss, and the other one's going to be a major gain. There's just no way you can lose on these stock picks. And that's what I want to get out. I want to start producing for YouTube a couple picks a night so people can make money. You know what I mean? And I'll be able to give that, if anybody wants that through an email or something, I can send that directly out of email. As soon as I get that in there, I'll send it right out to you. And you can go ahead and chart yours, do all the fundamentals you want to do on that chart. And maybe we'll start an online situation where we have live chat. Bring it together. We'll call it a FIBO-TRADE chat. And we'll do a live chat, making a lot of money through the stock market. I mean, I've never seen a program that pulls out this many winners consistently. And that's the main thing. Pulling out winners consistently. I'm going to critique these last few just to give you an example what kind of numbers we're getting at. Like it says, we're doing here at 18. That's one past the 17. And what's this goes up from 50 to 57, 7-point win? How can you lose on a 7-point stock? I mean, and look at all the stocks I gave you. Look, the program is consistent right from the cusp, right from the precipice, right from the cusp to looking up or looking down. Look at this stock. Here we are. It's going up. Everything looks positive. It wants to do a major move. And what was the major move? I don't know. It's 6 points there. Getting in on 6-point stock? Nice. A nice easy entry point there. How can you not see that stock's going to go up? Another sweet little 6. You got to love 6-point stocks, especially when they're only $40. You get an option in on that. 6 points, you're doubling, tripling your money. Easy. It doesn't matter. You have a lot of money or a little bit of money. This, look, $10, $15 stock. Nice little sweet bang for you. Good, quick little money. You put $1,000 into that. Goes up 3 points. Nice. That's $500, $600. Easy. Google, you gotta love it. Came out in March. We made 50 points in March. Now look at it. Can you believe this? We're right at the cusp of a 100-point run. Are you kidding me? You know what 100 points will do in an option? Of course, it's Google. It's an option play. But 100 points, one option, you're probably talking $50,000, maybe more. I mean, I never did run the option on that. But it's probably quite consistent, extensive. And look, there's no guesswork where you're getting in at. There is nothing to guess about that. You're right there. It's saying, boom, would you like that? Like I said, last time we hit it for a 10-point rise and a 50-point drop. Nice little run, nice little goog. Again, right there at the bottom. At the bottom goes up 20 points. How can you lose money? It's a program that picks the bottom runs, top runs, falls runs, right top, peaks and bottom. It's all it picks. Amazing. Broken record, folks. It's a broken record. Look, right there at the bottom, at the valley. How deep can you go? How deep is this thing? Nice 7-point run. Last one, folks. Look at this nice valley run. Right from the bottom again. What's it goes up? 7, 8 points? Down 5, 6? Either way, you're going to make money. This is going to go back up again. But like I said, there's so many picks. There's no sense in waiting for it to go up again. Just take your money and run. Nice. I thank you from FIBO-TRADE. What a great program this is. Have you ever seen such results? This is a typical night. If it goes up, I pick up falls. If it goes down, I'm picking up rises. Nothing but great picks. I mean, the only way I'm going to know how you think it is if you subscribe to me. So push that little button on the left-hand side, subscribe, and maybe we'll get together. I'll send out some picks to your email. Either way, subscribe and let me know how we're doing here, because I think we can make a lot of money with this program. So everybody, have a good night, and thank you from FIBO-TRADE.